Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the push plugin and grabbing credentials. Activate the plugin in WordPress, then copy the app ID and API key from the provider. Once done, paste keys into the plugin settings and save. This registers your site. Make sure to set site URL exactly and enable HTTPS. Push needs a secure origin. If your theme blocks headers, allow the plugin to inject scripts in header or footer so the service can subscribe visitors. Now you configure the subscription experience and service worker. Set prompt timing, appearance, and which pages should show the ask. Shorter prompts boost opt-in but avoid spamming. Upload the 192x192 and 512x512 icons and ensure the service worker. JS is generated at site root. Once done, test subscription in Chrome and Firefox. Use incognito to validate first-time flow. Make sure to set user segments or you finish by composing and sending your first notification. Choose a small test segment, add title, message, and landing URL, then schedule or send immediately. Once sent, verify delivery on multiple devices and browsers. Check click behavior and analytics. If notifications fail, inspect browser console and service worker registration, confirm scope matches site root, and ensure HTTPS is active. One key troubleshooting tip: clear service worker and resubscribe users after fixing scope or script errors to restore delivery quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.